In today's video, I will walk you through how to see the supplier ledger in Xero. To begin, look across the top navigation bar of your Xero dashboard and click on Reporting. This will open a drop-down menu containing the reporting options available in your account. From the menu, select All Reports. This will take you to the complete list of reports that Xero provides. Once you're in the All Reports section, look for the General Ledger Detail Report. This is the report you'll use to view detailed transaction records. When you find it, click on the report to generate it. After the report finishes loading, you'll see several options near the top of the page that allow you to adjust how the information is displayed. One of these options is the Columns drop-down menu. Click on the Columns drop-down to display the available column options. From the list, enable the columns that relate to your supplier information. This will make sure the supplier details appear in the report so they're easier to review. Once the supplier-related columns have been enabled, the report will display the additional information you've selected. Take a moment to review the updated layout and confirm that the supplier details are visible. If you're looking for a particular transaction, you can organize the report to make it easier to locate. One option is to sort the report by description. Select the description sorting option if that's the view you want to use. If you're searching for a specific supplier, there's another quick way to find the information. Press Ctrl and F on your keyboard to open the search box in your browser. Once the search box appears, type the supplier name that's associated with the transaction description you're trying to find. The search function will highlight any matching results within the report, making it easier to jump directly to the entries you're looking for. You can repeat the search with different supplier names whenever you need to review another set of transactions. If necessary, you can also adjust the report again by returning to the Columns menu or changing the sorting option. After you've finished reviewing the supplier transactions, you can continue working with the report or close it once you've found the information you needed. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.